be scared. We'll be feeling those quivers for days, the CO said. That looks great. A pretty girl ought to have nice things.
I've always thought so.
Hey, you gotta forget about the way it used to be. Your brother could be dead. Nobody left but me to take care of you.
Well, I've got another brother in San Francisco. And he's in the Mafia.
There's another car coming, Jody.
This area's quarantined. You'll have to detour.
I'm a police officer. We're transporting injured people.
This is an emergency.
What isn't after an earthquake? Go back or take him to a Hare Krishna temple.
No, help me! He's nuts! Crazy!
What the hell are you doing? I know this kid.
He's under detention. Loading.
Take it easy. All right.
Okay?
Go back the way you came.
Okay.
Pull out!
Don't leave me with him! Lou! Help me! Help me!
I'm going for an officer. That guy in there is cracked. Come on. Hey, come on.
Pull up another 100 feet. Pull it around the corner and stop.
Nuts, am I, huh? You got your nerve. Only a whore would wear something like that. Huh?
Rosa! Let's go. Better not.